Demetri said on the show before that when it is a mysterious Black death, we rarely get justice. We get stories, we get cover ups. And so oftentimes it's the family having to hire a private attorney like you, it's the NAACP, and it's private investigators that do that work to uncover what actually happened.
So yes, we have our legal redress committee that's already investigating this case with other lawyers and investigators, but we need the investigatory file. And many times that's the holdup. When you have government entities that go ahead and rule something a double suicide, but then don't release the information so that we can do a thorough investigation. We found out from the family just a few days ago that many times in the investigation, they didn't pull all of the video. You know, Georgia is equipped with Georgia Department of Transportation cameras, flock cameras, and of course you have the gas station surveillance cameras. So there should be a trail, an electronic trail that follows them all the way up to the mountain.
I know a lot of times we only speak from what we know, and I know we're trying to fight to get evidence out there. But to me, the silence around Black death, whether it is a suicide or it is not a suicide, seems more like a confession to me. It seems more like you guys know, and I'm solely speaking for my generation when we looking at it. It's not only that it feels like they're telling us it is a suicide. It feels like that's all we giving you. Get over it. It feels like that's what they're telling us. And for me and my generation, who, as you guys say, like Dr. Brian implemented, it's become more of a mental health crisis these days than it's ever been for young Black men. And for us, this adds to it. It's not only that you feel like suicide is a valid option, but honestly, you start to feel like it's the only option because you go to your mom, you go to your dad, you go to people around you, and I'll be honest. Excuse me for getting a little emotional about it.
Take your time.
When you living in a space like that, and let's just say hypothetically this was a suicide for these kids. That's not to my belief, but if we speaking on suicide, when you living in a space like that, even the slightest no can push you over the edge. Even the slightest the slightest turn of what you needed. You may have just needed a hug. And not having that at that moment would push you towards that. And I'm solely speaking that because I'm hosting a few mental health events for young men here in Chicago. It's super, super personal to me. And this specific topic hits home. And I thank you for everything you guys are doing, especially surrounding this case in terms of bringing awareness to it. So thank you.